really want to get straight to the point. If you're happy with your cash flow and you have no cash flow problems, please do not continue to watch this video, because this video is specifically designed for lawyers, business negotiators, business people, accountants who suffer from the problem of having their cash flow restricted because deals are not closed. Now, the most important part of a deal to be negotiated is the price component. And through the years, and I'm talking about more than 25 years, I've been absolutely astonished at how few international lawyers and business development executives and salespeople and marketing people have the tools at hand to instantaneously, and I mean instantaneously, model price variance and those factors that influence a price. Now, why do I say this? With COVID-19, the business world has changed, and I believe it has changed forever. And we have to work remotely, and spreadsheets simply does not work. Now, in response to that, I started to formalize a set of interactive financial mind maps that I've been using through many years as tools, as practical tools during negotiations to model the effect of prices. Secondly, how does it work? It works on a Mind Manager mind mapping platform. Now, below here is the link that you can download that. Open a interactive financial mind map in Mind Manager, and in those areas you will see that there are grayed out components. Those are the variables, so it's very easy to see. And by filling in those variables during negotiations, you actually model in real time a what if for all these variables that may arise. Now, there's more than 120 of them, and what follows is just a very short demonstration to show you how one of them works.